Hi, Safwan here. Welcome back to my channel. And today I just want to show you guys my minimal desk setup for maximum productivity. Let's get it rolling. So I've been working from home for the past year due to the pandemic, and it seemed like we may not be going back to office anytime soon. So because of that, I decided to build this setup for comfort and effectiveness working from home. Let's start with the desk that holds this whole setup. It's the typical IKEA Alex drawer setup, but instead of the two drawers, I went for one and a foot stand on the other end, which makes the whole setup stands out with the white color and also have that industrial looks to it. The PC I'm using I actually built myself. It has a Ryzen 5 3600 processor, GTX 1660 Ti graphics card, 32 gigabytes memory, and a 500 gigabytes SSD. It is housed in this matte black NZXC H510 mid-tower case. The PC is what I used to do all my work. I haven't played much games on it, but it can definitely handle gameplay smoothly. I've been playing Pro Evolution Soccer on it lately, and I plan on playing more games on it, as the PS5 prices are going crazy. But if you want to check out the video where I built this PC, I will have the links in the description below. It was actually a very affordable build for what I was able to get out of it. The monitor I'm using is a Samsung 29-inch ultra wide curve monitor. It's a 2K monitor. It works well for what I'm doing. It has close to accurate colors for editing, and also very good for watching content or playing games. It's actually discontinued, so you may have to get it used on eBay or Amazon if you are trying to get it. The mouse I'm using is the Logitech MX Master 2S. This has been the go-to mouse for a lot of content creators and its dailies. This mouse can connect wirelessly up to 3 devices with just a button click to switch between them. It has a Bluetooth capability and also comes with a USB adapter that lets you use it on devices that has no Bluetooth. One thing I like about this mouse actually is its customizations. It has a software which enables you to assign different functions to the buttons on the mouse, which makes editing a lot more quicker. As for the keyboard, the name of it is Kickfront K2. This is a 75% mechanical keyboard. Aesthetically, it looks very good with the dark and light gray color tone and the orange escape key, which gives that pop to it. This keyboard is compatible with Windows, Apple computers, and also mobile devices like iPhones, iPad, Android, and other tablets. It also has Bluetooth connectivity, which enables it to connect to 3 devices and can easily switch between devices with just 2 button click. This keyboard also has a RGB lighting effect if that's something you are into. Typing wise, it's not the best if you'll be doing long typing, and the reason for that is because this keyboard has a thick frame. Even when I pull out the keyboard arms, it still doesn't lay flush on the desk, and that ends up hurting while typing. If you do decide to use this keyboard for long typing, I would recommend you get a wrist rest. I'll leave some links in the description below as well. All these peripherals are placed on this nice leather-like desk mat from IKEA. I like the unique look to it with the open and close touch on the side, which I use to store sticky notes. The speaker I'm using is the Audio Engine 2 in matte black color. These speakers are very small, but I'm amazed by the sound quality they produce. I mostly use my headphones when I'm editing, and my go-to for that is the Audio Technica M50X. These also produce amazing sound for professional work. On the other side of the desk, I have a Rode Pod mic for voice recording, which I'm currently using right now, and I also use this for our podcast channel. Please check that out, and the link will be in the description as well. I would just say don't let things like that stop you. If you have any skill, just do it. Or if you want to go for like a job or anything like that, try your best. I'd rather try and fail than not try at all and have that doubt in yourself all the time. This is an awesome mic for its price. It produces very high quality sound. It is paired with the Scarlett 2i2 interface, which has two mic inputs. These two combination is perfect to start a podcast, and you don't even have to break the bank for them. For storage, I'm using a 6TB G drive. I like it because it's very compact and has a solid build to it. It's actually aluminum build. This will look good on any desk setup, but I decided to place it underneath my desk for more space. I actually do have two of these as well, for just in case I may need some extra storage. Also, for cable management, I'm using this cable rack that I got from IKEA, which was a good investment. I think it only cost me about 14 bucks, and it definitely made my setup a lot more cleaner. Unfortunately, I couldn't remember the name of the chair I'm using, but it's an ergonomic chair and it's very comfortable. I've been using it for the past year now, working from home, and I haven't got any back problems from it, so I guess it's been working fine for me. Over my monitor, I have these two photo frames. One of them says your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. And the other one says get shit done. I pretty much have those over there so I can always remind myself that whenever I'm sitting in front of this desk, I'm here for a purpose, to get work done, not to goof around. But that's the end of this video, and thanks so much for sticking to the end of it. I hope you find value in it. If you do find value, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I will try to leave links for all the items mentioned in the description if I can find them. And also, please check out my other contents again. Thanks once more, and catch you guys in the next one.